Welcome everyone. Based on countless hours of research and independent studies, today's video, we are going to check out the 3 best hair straighteners. I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these hair straighteners, you can check out the description and the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, we have HSI Professional Glider. The HSI Professional Glider creates dramatic results on even the frizziest, coarsest hair. To quickly straighten, flip, and curl with minimal effort. Simple and fast. High-quality ceramic plates use 8 heat balance micro sensors to regulate the temperature and evenly distribute heat so fewer passes are needed on your precious hair. The glider's plates are designed with ceramic and tourmaline crystal ion plates to create a shinier, silkier finish in less time. The adjustable temperature settings from 140 to 450 gives greater control to achieve a perfectly sleek and smooth look for all hair types. The glider's worldwide dual voltage compatible 110 volt 220 volt works, so you can take it with you on your next vacation. Move freely with a 360-degree swivel cord. At number 2, we have Jtava Infrared Flat Iron. The Jtava Pro Satin Infrared Flat Iron for hair feature leaves hair shiny and smooth with its 2-inch wide ceramic tourmaline floating plates. 10 temperature settings, universal dual voltage, 60-minute auto shut-off function, and heat-resistant travel hair case. Ceramic flat iron for hair with digital display setting. Choose from 10 temperature settings on an LCD digital display, ranging from 265F, 445F when hair straightening. Smart features and lock. The Pro Satin Infrared Professional Hair Straightener is designed with 90-second rapid heat-up technology, a 60-minute auto shut-off function, and an 8-foot 360-degree swivel cord. Lock feature when in use. Simply double-click the power button. Check manual. At number 3, we have Kaposi Professional Titanium Flat Iron. Kaposi Hair Straightener Flat Iron is made with the user's comfort in mind. Simple temperature control and auto shut-off after 60 minutes. Titanium-made plate give a tighter press and even distribution of heat. You can flat iron your hair with less fizz, more smooth or shiny. Also suitable for thick, curly and wavy hair type. LCD display is clearly to read. 1.75-inch special floating plate hair flat iron. Full contact and snag-free when straightening hair. Titanium-made hair straightener iron provide even distribution of heat. Leaves your hair shiny and silk smooth. Adjustable temperature up to 170 Fahrenheit per 450 F. Intelligent safety temperature fall down and auto shuts off. Durable handle keep away from the heat and ergonomically suits your hand. Rounded edge design flat iron for hair.